that day we saw how to call data from API. Now today we are going to call categories from the API and then load products based on that categories. So first of all we create a new page, categories. Okay, now we take a list view, and in this list view I am going to call a list style. Okay, and I'm going to give a padding of 8px from all the sides. Okay, and in list view, okay, the API I have already configured that similar to that day of products, just products / categories. Okay, from here you will get the link products / categories. Okay, so coming back to the screen, here list view, add backend query, API call, categories, confirm, and here we have to select no further changes, because in this there is no like a data colon or something, so without anything, so there are no further changes for us here, and confirm. Okay, and the title and subtitle goes here, and subtitle I'm going to remove, and in title we are going to keep categories item, JSON path and $, since we want to display the logged in pages categories. Pausing this video for some time. Here our data is loaded. Now on the click of this card we will now navigate to our products page. Okay, and from here we pass category as category item, JSON per $, that's it. Now it's loading all the data of the products. So now I want to change in the home page, like just get the data from the products based on the category name, and value we will have the page parameters. Okay, till it loads, here is the API to get the products from the category. So the last one is changeable. Okay, and here in API products by category, you just have to paste the name, and here we have to pass the variable in square brackets, and here we have to pass the same variable for loading the data. So that's what I just did in this one. Here variables, and in that the value which we are getting from the home page, we are loading that. Loaded. Now I click on the smartphones, so all the smartphones are here. I click on the laptops are here. Let's see furniture. Okay.